want to open this? It's not my present, it's yours.
Lainey.
No. Baby. No. Good job, Tess. Rip it.
There, now you got it.
Oh, I should have put her in that Adidas outfit, Natalie. She fits into it.
Oh, really? Aw.
You want to rip it? Yeah. Good job, Tess. Rip it.
Yay.
Rip and still play.
Yeah.
Multitasking.
Rip ends and press button.
Tess, what's in the box? Ready? What's here? Oh. Oh. What's in there? Ducks. Thank you. Put those right there. Thank you. What's in here? Oh, look at this cool card. It's a word though. Oh. Good stuff. What's in there? A book? I can't imagine more beautiful and special. That is not for you.
That's all right.
I don't think so. Here, you better grab that quick.
The lady's stealing everything.
Are you stealing everything?
Oh, cool.
Hey, how about the macaroni and cheese?
Thank you. Have you read this?
No, I plan to though, but
Okay.
I know it's old for Tess, but Jeff and I picked it out.